Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Azzuhra Syifa and I'm from RB classes with student number 130. So in this video, I would like to give you an example about how to make a learning video by using Canva. So first of all, you can search your Google. You can type Canva and click the website. First of all, you can use Canva by using your smartphone. You can download it through Play Store app or App Store app. But for today, I would using this website through my desktop. Okay, so the first thing you should do is log in or sign up. Because I already have the account, I choose login. Okay, you can continue with Google or another way like your social media. I choose with Google. Okay, you can choose your account. Okay, this is what is Canva looks like. You can click create a design because we want to make a learning video. You can click video right here. Okay, and this will appear many templates that you can use free, but if there's a crown, it means you should pay for the premium version of it, like this. It is pro version of Canva. You should pay for it. And first of all, because today I want to make a learning video for primary students, elementary school students, I would using the cute templates. I would make it interesting, and I already have it here. Okay, you can check it. Okay, like this. This is for the first slide, for the opening, and you can type anything you want. You can change it because the welcome one, I will use this. I only change this one. I will things in the house. Okay, I will make it small first to make it fit. Okay, this is clear. And for the next slide, you can choose anything you want from whatever. Okay, like this. It is cute. I would choose this. Hi friends. Okay, I think I would use this for now. Are you ready? I will use the exact slide from this. Okay, hey friends, are you ready? Because it's for elementary school students, so I would make it interesting. Okay, the next slide is okay, so for make it interesting, you can click text right here and add a heading. Wait, I will make it bigger and click things in the living room because this is our first topic for today. Okay, pass things in the living room. Okay, I will make it smaller. This is when you want to change the font size. This is when you want to change the font types. Okay, this is for color, bold, italic, and anything else you can see here. Okay, because I want to make it, this is still big for me, I will use not that big, maybe in 50. Okay, so subheading for the point of your material. Wait, like this. And you can search for the elements for any image or animation image. You can search because I want to search carpet. You can type here. Okay, You can find it for free, or there's also the pro version of it. Okay, I will use this one. As you can see, wait, I will make it small. You can see you can change the font size by yourself, like this. Okay, the first thing is carpet. Back to the text, subheading. Okay, make it bigger. Copy, paste. But we can use the same font size as this, 47.1. Okay. It's a bit okay. Next, back to elements and search for chair. Okay, this is chair. Adjust the size. Okay, we are done. Next, clock. Back to the text, subheading. Make it bigger. And by the way, I think elementary school still needed our translation, so okay, back to elements, clock. Okay, I will use this. Okay, I will. You can crop the size of the picture. Okay, I want to make it smaller. Okay, like this. Okay, a bit smaller. Okay. Search element, search frame. Okay, make it smaller. And from now I will make it a little bit faster. You can skip it to the audio part after this. I will finish it first. Okay, so I'm done to make the slide completed. Extra for the example
and exercise. And after this, we also can adjust the timing for each slide. Okay, so as you can see, you can apply the timing. Okay, after that you can click animate to animate your slide, and if you're done choosing the animation, you can click apply for all pages if you want to. Okay, for the next step is click uploads to record your audio or video. For today, I only want to use audio without my face appear on the screen, so I choose audio and click record yourself. You can also click upload files to import the audio from your drive or social media. And on this page, you can click integrated camera or no camera if you didn't want to appear on the video. and it just shows your profile picture without your face on it, and just click record if you're ready to record your voice, and you can delete it if you think that your voice is not good enough. And if you are done recording, you just click done and click save and exit in the right side.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Azzuhra Aulia Syifa,
and your small profile picture will appear on the screen. You can make it invisible by click layer and make it backward, but for this time I will only make it smallest, and I will make it in the center and the corner of the screen. So if you're done making learning video, you can click share and click download. File type, you can choose MP4 video because this is a learning video, right? You can click all pages and click download, and the video will automatically saved into your device. So yeah, we are done making the learning video. After this, I will show you the result of it. Enjoy!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Azzuhra Aulia Syifa, and in this video I would like to give you an example about things in the house. So basically this material is about the vocabulary of nouns in each room in the house. For that, let's learn the vocabulary of nouns in each rooms. So, home or house is a place that we use to rest and also take shelter from rain or heat. In a house, there are many objects that we can learn in English. For example, sofas, tables, chairs, and so on. Inside the house, there are also several parts such as the living room, kitchen room, bedroom, bathroom, and also the terrace of the house. Okay, so the first one is things in the living room, atau benda-benda yang ada di ruang tamu. Yang pertama adalah carpet atau karpet. Yang kedua, chair, kursi. Clock, jam. Frame, bingkai foto. Sofa, sofa. Table, meja. You can repeat after me. Carpet, chair, clock, frame, sofa, table. The second one is things in the bedroom, atau benda-benda yang berada di kamar tidur. Yang pertama, bed, tempat tidur. Blanket, selimut. Cupboard, lemari. Hanger, gantungan baju. Switch, stop kontak. And lamp, lampu. Please repeat after me. Bed, blanket, cupboard, hanger, switch, lamp. The third one is things in the kitchen, atau benda-benda yang berada di dapur. Bowl, mangkuk. Cup, cangkir. Spoon, sendok. Dining table, meja makan. Fork, garpu. Glass, gelas. Please repeat after me. Bowl, cup, spoon, dining table, fork, glass. Kemudian yang keempat adalah things in the bathroom, atau benda-benda yang berada di kamar mandi. Yang pertama, bathtub, bak mandi. Sink, wastafel atau bak cuci. Toilet, toilet. Towel, handuk. Soap, sabun. Toothbrush, sikat gigi. Please repeat after me. Bathtub, sink, toilet, towel, soap, toothbrush. And the last one is things in the yard, atau benda-benda yang ada di halaman rumah. Fence, pagar. Tree, pohon. flower, bunga, grass, rumput, hammock, ayunan atau tempat tidur gantung. Please repeat after me. Fence, tree, flower, grass, hammock. And this is the example with using the vocabulary about things in the house. Please repeat after me. I like lying on the sofa. I like lying on the sofa. Saya suka berbaring di sofa. Kedua, my mother cuts bread using a knife. My mother cuts bread using a knife. Ibu saya memotong roti menggunakan pisau. My father reads a magazine every day. My father reads a magazine every day. Ayah saya membaca majalah setiap hari. My aunt borrowed a serving bowl. My aunt borrowed a serving bowl. Bibi saya meminjam mangkuk saji. My uncle is tidying the grass in the garden. My uncle is tidying the grass in the garden. Paman saya merapikan rumput di taman. Okay class, so that's all the material of the example about things in the house. So for the next one is you should do the exercise. These are 5 exercise for you to do. The first one is write down 5 things in your living room. Tulis 5 benda yang ada di ruang tamumu. The second one is write down 5 things in your bedroom. Tulis 5 benda yang ada di kamar tidurmu. Write down 5 things in your bathroom. Tulis 5 benda yang ada di kamar mandimu. 4. Write down 5 things in your kitchen. Tulis 5 benda yang ada di dapurmu. And the last one is write down 5 things in your yard. Tulis 5 benda yang ada di halaman rumahmu. Okay, so that's all from me. That's the tutorial about how to make a learning video with using Canva and the result of it. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.